Hey everybody, it's Coe Show. Just got the Infusion 120. I unboxed it myself. I went to fly it. It felt a little heavy to me, so I kind of just went into the program, and I'm going to show you how to get it to be a little more reactive in case you are an expert flyer. Some of you may have one of those Goose Guy S1s or something like that, and you want to compare it to it. Then take the settings that I'm going to post below and use those in your radio to get this to fly like at high level. So anyway, we'll show you that. Did change a few things. It's all in the forward program and it's really simple. Let's show you a flight. So this is just stunt one. I've basically increased the pitch, so there's a lot of pitch now, collective. And the roll rate, well, flip rate here. And the roll rate. Now, I don't know why it didn't come from the factory like that, but it is based upon an intermediate level helicopter, so like most of our stuff, you can tune it now, so I did. It does fly pretty well. We'll go a little more head speed now before the battery dies. So here's some more. This is 78% throttle. You don't need much more than that, guys. You don't want to have the helicopter vibrating or making a weird resonance. Yeah. Whoa, almost hit the tree. That was me. And we're gonna go back to the lower head speed in the yard here. It's a little radical at high head speed. This is 70%. You can hear my telemetry alarm with the battery going off right now. Yeah! I haven't been able to do the pyro flip in the yard yet with this one. I'm always told, no one's ever gonna fly it like you, Coe Show, so it's good for the public, for sure. Woohoo! Kind of. So we'll go into safe mode. Battery's dead, so. Smooth helicopter, especially if you're gonna fly this indoors and just have some fun. It was just raining out here, so we were flying it in the living room. It's a cool little heli. Anyway, this is the new Blade Infusion 120 from Horizon Hobby. Get the canopy off for you, everybody. So here you have it. There's a little 2S LiPo in here. This is a 300 milliamp, 7.4 volt. And flight controller sits upright. It's pretty durable structure. I've already crashed it about 3 times and nothing's happened, so that's good. I'd say fly it over grass, just like I am here, and everything will be fun for you. This is it. Thank you. It's Coe Show. Let's do it together. Going down here to forward programming. As it connects, you will see swash plate. Actually, let's go to setup first. I'm going to show you some things. in the setup menu, you need to go to swash plate. And then there is AFR. Don't ask me what it stands for, but you see collective here. The collective number I have at 55. I believe it started at 40, guys. So when you turn this number up, you get more collective pitch, which is the bounce to the ounce. So you need more. We go back here, that's my first change. Now, I'm going to go back again, and we're going into, let's see, back. Now we're in the main menu, and we're going to swash plate. So now you will see roll. The speed of the roll I turned up to 350. It started at 300. So if you do the roll, you have to do the pitch too. So we'll go back, you'll see pitch. Pitch is actually front flip, back flip. So here's 350 degrees. And back here, swash plate. Agility still at 20. See, when I go into here, okay, I left the PID alone on the head. Where it gets interesting is in my tail rotor. We still left the degrees per second at 550, but I'm gonna show you that you need to get out of hold mode here.
Normal mode.
And you see how it says normal?
Stunt
and then
1.
Here's stunt flight mode 1.
Stunt 2.
Flight mode 2. So let's just start with flight mode 2, guys. I turn the proportional up to 50 and turn the integral up to 75, and we turn the derivative up to 65. Now in flight mode 1, I'm at 50, 65, and 64. And this is going to help you do your 3D maneuvers and hold the tail straight. It's doing a lot better for me, and I think it's going to help you too. So I haven't seen a video on any of this, so I'm going to show you. So now when you're back into normal mode, I left everything alone. It's still 45, 55, 64. I don't know why I'm getting this glare now. But anyway, to get out of that and save it all, you have to go back here. Back, and then put it in hold mode before you lose your helicopter. Okay, so there you go. And here's just a look at the telemetry screen. You see my battery's dead right now. And the smart battery does not light up on your radio, just so you know. I did find another issue when we're in telemetry here. It's not really an issue, but you can make it work better. If you go to smart battery, actually not smart battery, if you go to smart ESC, the total cells that they had programmed was 3. It's actually a 2-cell battery, so here's 2 cells. I lowered my voltage to 3.35 volts per cell, so I don't have to listen to the beeper all day long. The motor is a 14-pole motor. It's just a quadcopter motor, so there's 14 poles in those, and the ratio is 1:1. So that's a good way to get your RPM if you want to know what the RPM is. And that concludes my changes. So hope everybody enjoyed that. Comment below if you got questions. I am the Coe Show. Thank you. Okay, here's some more, guys. I want to show you my my throttle curves. And the manual, I don't know. So anyway, these tend to have a governor in them, so your throttle would tend to be straight across the board. Here we are in normal mode. You'll see that I'm 0% down at bottom stick because we don't want the throttle turning. And then we go to 55% all the way up to number 5. And then as I go over here to stunt 1, you'll see that I'm at 68%. I think I said on the video I was at 70. Well, I bumped it down a little. So we're at 68% in stunt 1. And stunt 2, I am at 76%. And these are all the settings you just saw in that video. So I want to thank you very much. Thank you.